Problem number 88 Nana. Keyword in the problem potential gradient ratio. Potential gradient means potential fall some length. This ratio is given 1:2. The resistance of two wires of same length. Length is constant, Nana. Length of the Manganian wire is constant. Resistance of the first wire is 2 ohm. Resistance of the second Manganian wire is 4 ohms. Find the current flowing ratio in the two wires. This is the question. According to this question, potential gradient formula. What is the basic formula? V by L equal to I into R by L. According to question, length is constant. Simply potential gradient directly proportional to IR. It write in this manner. Potential gradient 1 by potential gradient 2, okay, equal to right side I1 by I2 into R1 by R2, okay. Look here, what is the I1 by I2? It will be determined, okay, into R1 by R2 value 2 by 4. Left side its ratio 1:2. 2 times 1 by 2 cancel. Finally I1 by I2 value 1:1. 19 Anna. Look here now. In the potentiometer experiment, balancing length 560 centimeter. Without connecting the external resistance, R is excluded. That corresponding length is L1. Next number, 60 centimeter change. R is connected. That corresponding balancing length is L2. According to concept, L1 value greater than L2. Simply L1 is more. 60 centimeter change means L2 simply 500 centimeter. Here find the internal resistance of the cell. Capital R also is given 10 ohms. In the potentiometer, internal resistance formula is capital R into L1 by L2 minus 1. Here capital R is 10. L1 value 560, L2 value 500 minus 1. It will be calculate 10 into. Here what is the LCM? 500. 560 minus 500. Nana 60. 0 cancel. 6 by 5 value, finally we get 1.2 ohms. Problem number 91 Nana. Here current flowing in the circuit is 1 ampere, okay. Here area of the wire is 4 centimeter square means 10 power minus 4 meter square. Potential gradient, simply potential fall per length is 7.5. In the situation, find resistivity. Resistivity other name resistance, sorry, specific resistance. Look here. Keyword in the problem V by L. In the chapter, V by L formula is I into R by L. Okay. According to data, resistance write as rho L by A. Here denominator is L. L cancel. Finally, the formula is V by L equal to I into rho by A. According to this formula, to solve the resistivity or specific resistance, the board 94 now. In the 94 problem, length of the potentiometer wire is 200 centimeters and EMF in the primary circuit is E. Okay. Here the cell is ideal cell. Ideal cell means any question, the cell is ideal cell, its internal resistance becomes 0. And keyword in the problem, series resistance also 0. We know that potential fall across the length formula is I into R by L. According to data, I means current in the primary circuit, E by small r plus Rs plus capital R into here R by L. According to data, ideal cell internal resistance is 0. Series resistance 0 R. Here R by capital L. Here V by small l. R what? Cancel. Finally, V by L equal to E by capital L. Here capital L, length of the Manganian wire is 200. Here E value can be determined. Here next Nana, here look here Nana. Nana here look here. Battery EMF is given 2 volt Nana. Here balancing length is given 40. This corresponding EMF is calculated. Okay, this is the question. Here 40 how many times? 5 times. Okay, 40. ఒక్క నిమిషం నాన్న, క్వశ్చన్ చదవడం రాంగ్ అయినట్టున్నాను. ఒక్క నిమిషం చూడు. హియర్ ఫస్ట్ ఈ వాల్యూ ఇయే కదా, ఇదే కనుక్కోవాలన్నా. L value, total length of the Manganian wire 200 centimeters. Balancing length is given 40 nana. 40. This value is given 2 nana. This value is given. Question number 94 nana. This is sorry nana. It is once again I repeat the question. The length of the potentiometer wire is 200 centimeter. EMF in the primary circuit is E. It is applied to the battery of EMF 0.4 volts. The balancing point is obtained L equal to 40 centimeter from the positive end. The EMF of the battery is E అడిగాడు. ఇక్కడ ఈ V వాల్యూ ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు సార్ అంటే 0.4 ఇచ్చాడు. ఓకే, 0.4. Nana, it look like neatly write as 4 by 400. Right here E by 200. 4 how many times? 100. 100 how many times? 2 times. E equal to 2. Okay, first read the question properly, automatically to get the answer. Number 96, last problem today class nana. Look here, a cell in the secondary circuit gives null deflection for 2.5 meter length of the potentiometer having 10 meter length of the wire. Here length of the potentiometer increased 1 meter without changing the cell in the primary. The position of null point is neatly balancing length L1 value 2.5 meter. Total length of the Manganian wire is 10 meter. Here total length of the Manganian wire increased by 1 meter, simply 11 meter. Find corresponding balancing length. Once again I repeat, initial Manganian length idi, wire length, final ga idi, corresponding balancing length kavali. We know that what is the basic formula, V by L equal to, okay na, E by, look here, R plus RS into R by L. According to data, small l is balancing length, capital L is total length of the Manganian wire. According to this situation, small l directly proportional to capital L. According to this situation, L2 by L1 equal to L2 by L1. According to situation, small l is balancing length, L1 is given 2.5, capital L 2 11, L1 10, 2.5 how many times? 4 times. 11 by 4 neatly write as 2.75. Okay, this is the solution of the problem. Dear students, today discuss the potentiometer formulas and concept. Please, dear all students, please revise the potentiometer concepts first, and after in the evening 4 to 5 study hour, please revise, please solve all the problems in classwork and worksheet. Okay, Nana, bye.